Welcome to the best picks. The best corn holders is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, but trust me, once you've experienced the joy of perfectly handled corn on the cob, you'll never go back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of corn holders, exploring different designs, materials, and features to help you find the perfect ones for your next summer barbecue or family dinner. Get ready to say goodbye to messy fingers and hello to corn-eating bliss. Number 5. AUGSUN Good Grips 8-Piece Corn Holder Set. Introducing the AUGSUN Good Grips Corn Holder Set. This set includes 8 corn holders, perfect for your next barbecue or family dinner. They are designed to make eating corn on the cob easier and more enjoyable. Each pair of these corn holders interlocks together. This unique design allows for safe and convenient storage, keeping them organized in your kitchen drawer. It's a smart and space-saving solution. The corn holders feature strong, stainless steel pins. These pins firmly attach to the corn, providing a secure grip. You can enjoy your corn without worrying about it slipping. These corn holders have soft, comfortable, and non-slip handles. They provide a secure grip, even when your hands are wet. It makes the eating experience much more pleasant. Cleaning up is a breeze because these corn holders are dishwasher safe. Simply toss them in the dishwasher after use. It's a convenient feature that saves you time and effort. What we like? These holders feature an interlocking design for safe storage, perfect for keeping them organized. The non-slip handles ensure a comfortable grip, even with buttery fingers. And they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use, this set is a great choice. What people say. The holders are easy to insert into the corn and provide a good grip. They are easy to clean and store. The design is simple and effective. Number 4. AUGSUN Corn Cob Holders, Barbecue Fork Skewers. Tired of burning your fingers on hot corn? These corn holders are designed to protect your hands. They make eating corn on the cob simple and enjoyable. Featuring ergonomic oak silicone handles, they are comfortable to hold. The stainless steel pins are rust-proof and easy to clean. You can use them for other foods too. Each holder has 2 stainless steel prongs. You can overlap them to hide the sharp pins. This interlocking design provides convenience for storage and ensures safety. Simply insert these holders into both ends of the corn cob. This keeps your fingers away from the heat. Now, you can easily handle and enjoy your sweet corn. These corn holders are perfect for home cooking, barbecues, gatherings, camping, and picnics. Whether you're at home or outdoors, they meet all your corn-eating needs. The set comes with 10 pieces in total, including yellow, orange, green, and blue pairs. They are perfect for sharing with family and friends. What we like? These corn holders come with ergonomic silicone handles for a comfortable grip. They also come in multiple colors, adding a touch of fun to your meal. Plus, they're suitable for various activities, from home cooking to camping. If you enjoy outdoor gatherings and want a versatile set, these are ideal. What people say. The non-slip handles are a perfect size. Love these wash-up nice great grip even for someone with gripping issues fun very sturdy easy to push into cob faces FO cone off after one wash however that is a non-issue for me just FYI for others. These seem very sturdy. They interlock which is nice and they are easy to hold on to. I liked all the bright colors and will use them frequently. Number 3. Corn Holder Set, Stainless Steel Corn Skewers. These corn holders make eating corn on the cob easy and fun. They protect your hands from the heat, allowing you to enjoy your meal comfortably. It's a simple solution for a classic treat. This set comes with 6 pairs of corn holders in various colors. The interlocking design ensures safe storage when not in use. This feature makes them convenient and easy to manage. Each holder features sharp, stainless steel pins that are rust-proof and easy to clean. These pins are designed to securely hold the corn, keeping your fingers safe from the heat. They are also versatile and can be used for other foods. The holders have soft silicone handles that are anti-scald and comfortable to hold. The ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, making it easy to handle your corn. This design enhances your overall eating experience. Whether you're at home or at a barbecue, these corn holders are perfect for any occasion. They are designed to meet your needs in various settings. Enjoy your corn with these convenient and practical holders. What we like. This set offers vibrant colors to brighten up your table. The interlocking design ensures safe and convenient storage. The ergonomic silicone handle makes it easy to grip. If you like a pop of color and easy handling, you'll love these. What people say. They are pleasant to hold, very comfortable with the silicone grips. The prongs appear to be well embedded. I had a cob that practically needed a hammer to get the holder inserted, and it held up well to hard, constant pressure. These have 2 good spikes, one longer than the other so no slipping off. Number 2. Stainless steel corn holders, barbecue and home cooking. These corn holders are perfect for grilling and enjoying corn on the cob. They make handling hot corn easy and safe, so you can enjoy your meal without worry. Made with stainless steel pins, these holders are built to last. They are rust resistant and easy to clean, ensuring they will be a part of your cooking for a long time. The holders are designed with a comfortable length to protect your hands. At 6 centimeters long, they provide a secure grip while keeping your hands away from the heat. Whether it's a barbecue, picnic, or camping trip, these corn holders are a must-have. They are the perfect tabletop accessory for any outdoor activity. These holders make handling corn on the cob simple and fuss-free. They allow you to easily cook and enjoy soft, delicious corn, making your outdoor cooking experience better. Please keep these holders away from children to avoid any potential hazards. They are designed for adult use to ensure safety. What we like. These corn holders feature durable stainless steel pins for long-lasting use. The comfortable length protects your hands while holding the corn. The design makes handling corn easy. If you are looking for a simple and practical design, this is a great choice. What people say. They are sturdy with a grip that is easy to eat the corn. When they are done being used, they are very easy to clean as well. When receiving the corn holders, it comes with a storage box, which is nice to be able to put them back in. Number 1. VinBee 8 pairs corn on the cob holders. Introducing the VinBee corn cob holders. This set makes eating corn on the cob easy and fun. It protects your hands from hot corn and melting butter. These holders feature an interlocking design for safe storage. When not in use, the sharp stainless steel pins are hidden. It also comes with a box for convenient storage. Each holder has 2 sharp, rust-proof stainless steel pins. They are easy to clean and insert into the corn. This keeps your fingers away from the heat. With a soft silicone handle, it's anti-scald and comfortable to hold. Just insert the holders into the corn and enjoy. The perfect size makes it easy to grip. These holders aren't just for corn on the cob. They're also suitable for fruit, meatballs, and barbecue. Great for parties, camping, and picnics. It can meet your various needs. What we like. This set comes in multiple colors to add some fun to your meal. The interlocking design provides a safe storage solution. They are also versatile and can be used for more than just corn. If you like to have options, this is the set for you. What people say. The holders are easy to insert into the corn and provide a good grip. They are also easy to clean. The design is simple and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.